Okay, I'm going to test another cheap microphone. This is the one, you see this one. Oops, yeah, this here. The microphone, the headset is not very clear from my side, but I'm not sure if this is due to the cheap headphone or not. But I will try using pedalboard too. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So you will see on your top left corner, I'm using the noise cancellation plugins, the free plugins from from RearPlug. So you should hear clearer sound from me. But still, I sound a little bit like very much in a space, in the outer space. This is my feeling. I'm not sure about the final result at this moment because I didn't hear the playback. Okay, anyway, I'm testing this with several of the let's try some high frequency, and I'll say some S word. Special, 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 shoot, space. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If and again, when you speak closer to it, you get better voice. And if you place it on normal, like on your search, something like that, then it might be less. It has worse quality. So this is another no brand microphone. This is a sound test on the no brand microphone. It costs about I think it should be about a little bit about $8. Yeah, that's what I get. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.